People actually look more attractive than they really are when they speak about the things they are passionate about. This is one of the greatest mind hacks in life. There are a bunch of smart people who never achieve anything because they think too much and don't act enough. Women have higher morbidity but lower mortality. For men, it's the opposite. The worst feeling in the world is to know you were used and lied by someone you trusted. They say that change is as good as rest. Studies show that travel boosts brain health and also decreases a person's risk of heart attack and depression more than any other known therapy. When you are interviewing, arrive early and talk to strangers outside for a dozen or 20 minutes, which will make your brain feel familiar with the environment and give you more confidence. If a person laughs a lot, even on stupid things, he is lonely deep inside. When people say you have changed, there is a 95% chance that you just stop act the way they wanted you to. If you announce your goals or tell someone else about them, you are less likely to accomplish them because of the lack of motivation and interest that now result from someone else being aware of your goals. Keep them to yourself. For a man's mental health, a 5 minutes conversation with a beautiful girl is more beneficial than a 2-hour yoga. Music can bend and shape the way you see the world or life in general. If someone gives you advice, respond with "you are right." It sounds more diplomatic than "I know." We care more about the death of one than the death of many. It feels more personal when one human dies, yet when multiple perish, we feel as we don't know any of them. If you walk around expecting to be offended, you will be. Some people just love to see you angry. The solution: relax the muscles in your face and watch as their visibly deflates. You really die in your dreams. Whenever you do, it indicates that you start something new in your life. Crying makes you feel better, reduces stress, and may help to keep the body healthy. We know nothing is permanent. Time kills all and we have limited time. Still we will struggle as if we will be permanent. So time and we both are killing each other simultaneously. When you talk, you are repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. When you see a cat, slowly blinks off it. If it blinks back, the cat is content with you. It's sometimes possible to see objects even when you are blind. People with a certain type of brain damage, blind sight, are considered functionally blind, but their unconscious minds can still see. They can walk through an obstacle course and avoid obstacles without consciously seeing the obstacles. Their hidden sight does the work for them. Almost every negative emotion we feel can be traced back to one emotion: fear. According to a survey, men can listen to their male friends for ages, but they can only listen to their girlfriend or wife for 6 minutes. When listing things to someone, they are most likely to remember the first and last item in the list. This can be used when giving someone options and you would rather them choose certain ones without being too obvious if the items on the list are not particularly out of place. Humans are never satisfied, cursed with eternal greed. They always need more and more, stretching the limits of the giver. Don't underestimate the seductive power of a decent vocabulary. Saying things without saying them is a whole other level of a turn on. Fear is a strange enemy. You can only defeat it when you make it fear you. Otherwise, you will keep fearing it. Behavior psychology really can make you a better person.